Looking for a healthy, low-calorie meal that actually tastes amazing? This grilled chicken fillet with creamy mashed potatoes and light mushroom sauce will blow your mind. High in protein, low in calories, and perfect for weight loss or fitness diets. Check mark no oil. Check mark super tasty. Check mark full of flavor without breaking your diet. Stay tuned until the end to see the exact calories and macros. Let's get cooking. Chicken leg potato mushroom. Most people think being on a diet means saying goodbye to delicious food. But the truth is, dieting isn't about eating less. It's about eating smarter. This simple combo of grilled chicken fillet, creamy mashed potatoes, and mushroom sauce can turn into one of the most delicious meals in your healthy lifestyle. When you know how to use the right ingredients the right way, you can enjoy every bite without feeling guilty. Healthy eating isn't a punishment. It's a way to love your body and still enjoy your food. This far, you're already one step closer to a healthier lifestyle. Smiling face with hearts. This meal was delicious, healthy, and totally guilt-free. Now it's your turn to try it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, check mark. Comment below what healthy recipe you'd like to see next. And subscribe to the channel for more tasty, low-calorie meals. Red Heart. Healthy eating isn't about restriction. It's about enjoying every bite in a smarter way. Winking face.